Okay.
Bola para sa DMCYS. Torres rejected by Manansala. Manansala on the middle jumper, sorry. Jesus dribbling, nice drop, not good. Manansala sa ilalim, not good.
Ano yung kalma talaga?
Off the glass, good for two. Torres. Velario, cross pass on jersey number 10. Agpagam. Miguel Jesus, 10 seconds to shoot. Bonsa fires it in. Torres, goes it up, good for two. De Jesus, kids on the side, back to Jesus, to Manansala. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Forrest rebound the ball. Manansala, kick out to Gagpatan. Gagpatan fires at in. Torres drive off the glass. Gagpatan rebound the ball. We got the Bonsa. Bonsa pull up jumpers, not in. Bola tayo ng TFTYS.
Aray ko.
Torres on the side, Calma, drop to Galicia, jumpers off the glass, good for two.
Ito man lang yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Gagpala, good for two. Pitch to Galicia on the baseline, and there's a whistle. Foul tayo on jersey number 7. Bond suffers personal foul. First team foul.
Smooth ka. Yun lang yan.
Oo, yung dapat. Okay kasi. Iwakan mo ba eh.
Second jumper sa rin. Gable Small. Once on to shoot the ball. Fire three! Torres. Nagkada ng bola, pick up to Santa Ana. Right from the middle, raise it up, good for two. Ang oras ng ulan na pwede ka magdapat. Kalma rin ang ball. Good for the side, pero tayo. Manansala to Bonsa. Shot Three-leg not good. Torres has 12, 3. Manasala dribbling the ball. Jagpalan on the middle, good for 2. 3 minutes remaining time. Now on the side of the Bonza. Putback and the whistle on jersey number 5, Santa Ana. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 minutes, 56 seconds. Second cover. That foul is in. Two-pointer. Torres. Drop to Galicia. All of Cowboys on the middle of the field. Bonza dribbling against Torres. Searching on the middle and off the glass. Good for 2. We are a tie on this quarter of 10 points. On jersey number 27, Torres. First personal foul, second team foul. Traveling violation. Substitution tayo. Turun nila ngayon. Ay, score. Great pass. All ten. Torres release. Look out the corner. Timeout. The 3-pointers are in. Benario is coming up. Palmarin on the ball. Right in. Bonza. Gives it to Jesus. From behind. Good for 2.
Hindi kita.
Jersey number 14, De Jesus, first personal foul, second team foul.
Hindi kita ba?
Santa Ana, dribblings. Good for 2. All tayo at 12 points. All tayo at 12 points. Bonza fire there, good. Torres. Jesus drives. And a foul on jersey number 30. 1 minute on this quarter. Galicia first personal foul, 30 foul. Two-pointers para kay Jesus. 55 seconds remaining. Now on the middle, good for 2. 45 seconds. Seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds remaining. 20 20 seconds. Wala na tayong shot clock. Mansala drives. 15 seconds. Double tayo mga kaibigan. Good to pa. Same ball. Seconds. 5 seconds. Ngunit may pito ang ating referee call on jersey number 32. 2. Kalma first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First jumper para kay Borja. Borja again. Second jumper, 2-point player, Bonsa. 5 seconds remaining. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score natin, 16 point para sa Dream Team and 14 para sa DMG Warriors. Dalawang kalamangan ng Dream Team sa quarter na ito.
Sabi, magkano yung mga bait mo?
Bakit ya?
Pwede niya ako mag-bait.
Ikaw?
Para astig, no?
Nasa sa'yo ba? Ako nga, inabot na ako ng sakit dahil sa BT.
Balik tayo sa laro. Welcome to the second quarter.
Para astig, no?
Isumbong mo na ako yati kaya ayaw ako mag-BT.
Kaya magpilikaw ako, no?
Ikaw ang kinahanin na hinahanap.
Hindi, buti na lang. Elementary ka ako na.
Ayan na nga ba sinasabi.
Kasi ano to, oh. Ito nang ano, ah. Bakit ba ako? Kasi yan.
Roasa. Gives the number 15. Dahil ba ito Roasa.
Ano yun? 3 points yun?
3 points. Nothing but net or Roasa. Ako nga tingnan. Kalma, Kuga to Santa Ana. Extra pass. Fires. Dahil. Same ball.
Ganyan, wala. Para lang.
De Leon Roasa. From behind. Substitution. Torres out. De Leon rebound the ball. De Leon pushing to Saliseban.
At yan ang pinito lang. 11-9-18. Diaz.
De Leon drives and kick out on number 14, Jesus Cupertino.
Bang!
3 points.
3 points.
3.
Ganyan. Pala yun. Ito na yung 3 points.
Ewan ko yan, hindi ko nakakita eh.
Ito na yun naman.
Ay, kung sino nang naisip mo.
Diaz dribbling the ball. Stop on the arc. Fires that in. Basa, pumalasan. Pop-up doon.
Pop-up. Doon. Buti na lang, marami tayo niyan. Kaya naman.
Balik tayo sa laro.
Baka naman.
San Esteban to the Leon. Moves on the strike. Ruasa off the glass. Good for two. Malago na bili. Another jumpers. Good for two. Attacking at Tigong bola. 5 minutes left. Time out. Continue. Diaz, lays it up. Good for two. Time out muna tayo para sa Green Team. Remaining on the board is 4 minutes
Score pa, score.
and 48 seconds.
23-21.
Official score natin, 23-21.
Bye, Panes.
Kay Panes. Sino nga yun?
Dia. Dia si Gaston. Ano? Dia. Gaston. Oh, siya.
Balik tayo sa laro, baka kay Mato yun ang pangis.
Parang di tamay mo. Wala. Pag na, wala matagal. Wala lang binan, Kelvin. Ha? Wala ko lang binan.
San Esteban to the Leon. Full of jumpers at the middle natin. Diaz, rebound. Balag sa gitna. De Leon, rebound the ball. Drop to San Esteban with a foul. On jersey number 322. Calma second personal foul. First team foul.
Bakit ang uniform may mga mukha ng girlfriend mo? Wala. Ayoko, oy. Maghihiwalay din yun.
Second jumper not good.
Okay, nanay, mga mukha ng biran. Mukha ng nanay. Mukha ng biran.
Calma, rising, not good. De Leon, rebound the ball. Kick out to San Esteban, good for two. Alma to Diaz. Leo on the wings, not good. San Esteban finish. In and out. Still by Bolsa. Gives to the Leon. Drop to Manasara and still by Calma. Alma to the side. Torreo full of jumpers are in. Ruasa. Boy. Throws it out the ball, not good. Diaz. Rebound. Diaz rebound the ball. Gives to Galicia. Fires to ring. Lamang pa rin ang isa ang Green Team, 25-24. Ruasa dribbling the ball. Kick out to San Esteban. Sa loob, not good. De Leon trying to steal. Goleo to Diaz. Goleo finished with a layup, not good. Bonsa rebound the ball. Balls outside on the side. Inabutan ang kaprasa ni Benag. Diaz. Pushing through Coleo on the side. Diaz again. Drive from the middle of the glass. Good for two. Change paper tayo. 1-point lead. For DMTYS 26-25. Leontos and Esteban setting a play, good for two. Diaz. Supanag on the middle using the glass. Is in.
Stop a ball.
Leon bringing the ball. Wow! Chavez sa gitna. Roger Balag rebound. Forcing in and De Leon slip. Kick out to Manansala. Lays it off the ball. Good for two. 1 minute remaining. Hey. There's a foul on jersey number 8, Balag. First personal foul. Second team foul. Subdivision. Come out. Roasa dribbling 50 seconds. Ooh. 10 seconds to shoot. Bonsa. Fires at it. 40 seconds remaining. 35 seconds remaining.
Hindi kita.
3. With the Thunder. 25 seconds remaining on the clock. Corners rebound. 20 seconds. Wala na tayong pinata. 15 seconds remaining. Off the glass. In and out. 10 seconds. One's up. Fire away. Not good. 5 seconds. Give us a look. That's the end of the second quarter. Official score po natin. Lamang ng isa ang DMTYS. Ay, dalawa. Dalawa ka lamang ang 31-29.
31. Oh, palo. Oo. May bumper yan. Nakainin mo. Damn, bot. Ano ba? Ano ba? Oliver! Ayun ba? Pindutin mo na. Ano?
Pasok mga kaibigan, pasok. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas.
Pasok. Labas.
Change court tayo, change court.
Bah, titingin pa ng balot. Ganda import ng RPT buka. Si Kevin Gampao. Makanood. Kinukuha nga ako pati tayo dyan.
Again, there's a visa. On jersey number 5.
Baka si Gampao nga. Ano? Picture ako doon. Hindi ka sa inyo.
Doon ka sa akin.
Hindi ka sa tayo doon. Nag-live ako, kunyari live lang. Kunyari live lang ako.
Second jumper, 2-point play for Mr. Bonsa.
Ay. Traffic pa lang rito, ano?
Still by Bonsa, gives to De Leon, Roasa on the finish, good for 2.
Ano mo sa tito, ano mo? Tito, ay, kung paano ang kausay ng araw, mga pala namin. Kasi, may natatalapit ako sa guhit ng court eh.
Roasa on the long, deep 3-point shot in. Roasa again to De Leon. De Leon on the middle, fires in and out.
Rebound by Dia.
Diaz rebound the ball. Drives in. Roasa steal the ball. Kick out on Bonsa. Fires 3!
Oh,
Lamang na naman ang 5 puntos ang Dream Team. 36-31. Torres, running attack. Good for 2. Roasa drives in, kick out to De Leon. Bonsa, 10 seconds to shoot. Lays it up and Roasa is in. Diaz to Coleo. Foul tayo on jersey number 0.
tied ball.
Managsala, first personal foul, first team foul. Diaz, Coleo, fires at the 3-pointers are in. Apa, may plastic. De Leon, pull-up jumpers. Managsala rin on the ball. Triggering the 2 and there's a foul on jersey number 5. Santa Ana, second personal foul. Second team foul. Subdivision. Coleo out. Bonsa. Lima na pare. 38, 35.
33.
Oh, 33 pala. Pasok ba yan? Pasok.
Isa.
Second on Manansala at yun. Ani mga lamangan, Torres drives rejected. Manansala from the coast to coast lays it up, not yet. Diaz step outside the arc, not good. And may pito tayo on jersey number 26. De Leon, first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, Manansala out. Animo kalamangan ng 3 teams, 39-33.
Ito yung mapalugin ako.
Palma on the side. Not good, Santa Ana rebound the ball. Diaz, full of jumpers on the Rainbow Country. Santa Ana putback is in. De Leon. Roasa fires on the deep 3-pointers are in. Diaz to Torres, scoop it up. Substitution. 4 minutes, 19 seconds. Bosa fires a good Santa Ana. Romasa steal the ball. Stop on the arc. Not good, but rebound.
Hindi ka na marunong kapon, Toy. Hindi ka na marunong kapon.
Diaz. Pull up jumpers. Good for 2. Dadalawa na ulit. 39-37. Naman kayo dalawa.
Kailan? Kailan? Bago niya lang. Sana makapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapag
Kick out on the side. 5 seconds to shoot. Right about seconds violation, subdivision.
Aldo.
Aldog.
Sige yan ba yan?
Ha?
Sige yan ba yan?
Hindi ah.
Diaz. Jumpers from the middle. Nagpalan rebound the ball. De Leon on the side, San Esteban. Not good. Same ball tayo mga kaibigan kung tunay. 19 seconds to shoot. Santa Ana, receive the ball. Kalma yung nabuto ng kapraso. Diyan ang bola, 13 seconds to shoot. Time out. Time out tayo mga kaibigan. Sa DMGYS, remaining on the board. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Official score natin, 2 puntos na lamang ng Green Team for the score of 39 and 37 for the DMGYS. Nice one. Balik tayo sa laro. Two minutes, 37 seconds.
Dalawa naman. Dalawa naman.
Alma. Torres. Diaz. Jumper, Scott. Ay, good for two. All tayo ng 39 mga kaibigan. Jesus De Leon on the side is Sao at may kasamang foul on jersey number 322, call mga third personal foul, third team foul. One bonus free throw for Belario. Belario, bonus is not good. Another foul. With a basket, color jersey number 18. Yes. Diaz, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Belario bonus free throw again. 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. De Leon, remains. De Leon on the ball. Stop on the arc. Diaz lays it up to the middle. Jesus, sleep on the ball. Drives in from the coast to coast. Good for two. Leon jumpers. Got Panan, rebound the ball. Leon pull-up jumpers. Good for two. Torres fires the Panan rebound. 47-39. Ang mga kalamangan, San Esteban, another shooting for San Esteban is in.
Time out lang, time out.
1 minute to play. Corneo jumpers to win. San Esteban, 45 seconds. 40 seconds remaining. This is San Esteban, good for 2. Galayon, good for 2. 20 seconds. Torres sa ilalim, not in. Another jumper, good for 2. 9 seconds. 4 seconds. 1.3 seconds remaining. And of the third quarter, official score natin, 53 points on Dream Team and 44 para sa DMT Warriors.
Kaya may load ka, Albert?
Meron.
Pagkat nga po si Daddy. Sabihin niyo ba, pa-load? Pa-load dyan ako. 53, 44. Ano pala ito? Dirty goals. Talo na agad.
Back to the ball game. Welcome to the final quarter of this battle between Dream Teams and the MT Warriors.
Ano? Ayan. Second ko naman. Lalabihin. Late ko po.
Warning tayo ang jersey number 9, Torres. Torres, back to Torres. Wall of jumpers. In!
2 points lang, 2 points lang.
Bonsa. Why is that good? San Esteban dribbling the ball, pushing inside. Bonsa, the leisure rebound. Torres, and a blocking foul on jersey number 28. San Esteban first personal foul. First rebound.
Champion. Sabi, sige. Second conference. Ano? Ano?
Second jumper, Sarin. Belario. Sa ilalim, Galicia rebound the ball. Torres. Spinning kick out to Benab, drives in. Substitution, Torres, and San Esteban out. 11 seconds to shoot. Malasala trying to save. Oleo. Pair of jumpers on the middle, good for 2. Apat na kalamangan, 53-49. Delario Malasala, full of jumpers na rin. Galicia to Goleo. Goleo pushing to Barag, back to Goleo. Reverse layup, good for 2. Dadalawa ng kalamangan ng Dream Team, 53-51. Bossa, drive, bounce and the foul. Follow jersey number 30, Galicia, second personal foul.
Dito tayo may ball.
5 minutes, 42 seconds. And a foul again on jersey number 5, Santa Ana. Third personal foul, second team fouls. De Leon gives to Ruasa. Banalan na rebounds with a foul on jersey number 0. Substitution. Manansala, second personal foul, second team foul. Diaz. On to the middle, back to Diaz. Oleo. Drop to Banag, nawala. Miscommunication. Bonsa. Sa gilid. Diaz steal the ball. Big out to Oleo, back to Diaz. On the rainbow arc. Bawa.
Dito ko.
Delario dribbling the ball. Spinning on the middle. Full of jumpers are in. Galicia rebound. And a whistle on jersey number 15. Delario first personal foul. 13 fouls.
Wala ka mag-referee dyan. Oo. Nag-reading mo kayo. Nag-goal.
Diaz. Santa Ana. 4 minutes 9 seconds. Galicia good for 2. 4 minutes on this quarter. Down again into 2-point lead. Para sa Dream Team, 55-53. Bossa taking the long three. De Leon gives to Manansala on the side. Jumpers is very good.
Tangot lahat, time out.
Coleo on the middle. Banag gives to Santa Ana. Intercepted by Manansala. Advance pass to Bonsa. Time out tayo para sa DMGYS. Remaining on the board is 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Score natin 62 for Dream Teams and 53 para sa DMGYS. DMGYS, meron pa kayo isang timeout on this quarter. 2 minutes. 57 seconds.
Oo, pero hindi pa ba nag-
Balikan natin ang dapat balikan. Iwanan ang dapat iwanan.
Yeah, ako nga.
Mario, check.
Okay, heart na lang yun. Heart na lang.
Oo, siyempre yun. Yung gusto niya ng tatay siya. Nanlilit siya, Andre. Mga pagong eh.
Diaz.
Okay din.
On muna tayo sa baba. On jersey number 28, San Esteban. Second person. Tama ba? Hindi, sa baba lang. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 62-53. Fourth quarter tayo mga kaibigan. Matuloy at tapat. Diaz. Torres nawalan.
Ano namin? Ano namin?
No, laki din.
Ang sit cantor.
Yeah. Good ko ah. Matera.
Gapala! Three! Oh yeah. Step back on the 3-point line. Diaz. Torres rebound the ball. Kinaliwa. Gapala the rebound. Cross pass for Rewasa.
Meron na lang.
210.
Meron din yun na lang.
10 seconds to shoot. 7 to shoot. Jumpers is in. Bonsa to put it. Court to court layup by Diaz is in. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining. Banag and traveling violation ang itinawag. Timeout tayo para sa Green Team. Remaining on the board is 1 minute and 40 seconds. Both teams meron matag isang timeout. One minute 40 seconds remaining. Official score natin 67 for Green Team and 55 TMC Wireless. Balik tayo sa laro. 1 minute 40 seconds. 1 minuto at 40 segundo. San Esteban gives on the side. Bonsa. Diaz rebounds. Torres, good for two. Ten seconds to shoot. San Esteban sa malayo natin. 1 minute, 6 seconds. Diaz. Pablo Torres rebound. 1 minute to play. 55 seconds. Mana, good for two. There's a foul on jersey number 9. Meron pa isa. Time out. 13 foul tayo para sa TMCYS. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Bonsa take a long three. $30 seconds remaining. Rewasa 3 points.
Wala.
27 seconds remaining. 27.
Alam
Ay, okay na.
Ito pala, ito.
Congratulations para sa team ng Green Team. Official score natin 73-59.
Sinubo na ang bataan. Hoy!